Family, I'm coming for you. There she is. Family, just about to get covered in clag. And that boy, or bad boy over there is Fan Fowler. I'm heading across to there after I bagged this one. Just straight down and straight back up. Come on! Cymru am byth! Oh, if you can see now, there's my clag. There's about 7 or 8 people just ahead of me who just got to the top. Carrying big bags. You know, maybe the rush outside Wales fans. Who knows? Right. Come on, sunshine, burn through these clouds. Look at that. Look at that though. Oh yes. Please go away, clouds. Please. Please. Come on. Mission. Topping out now, family. Can't see a thing. That group of people are still sat there. No one bites the dust, so my mistake. That's not the top. It's a little bit further on. I just stopped at the cairn. They're doing the D.V. Gold, and it's the last day. Well, I'm almost at the top. Family, 632 metres. And it's just in that cloud. Boom. There we have it. Family, 632 metres. 185 done. 3 to go. Get in. Get in! Woo! So the clag might be lifting a bit now, because I can see below me. So I just want to keep heading in a straight direction. I don't know if you can see them on this, but there's a couple of tracks down there, and that's where I'm heading for. And then across the road and head straight up to Fannedd. Others go round in a circular. Not me. I'm gonna smash this bad boy today. Woo woo! Don't know if you can make that out, but there's a red kite above. Another one over there. You might hear it squawk in a minute. No, that's a sheep. It's definitely a red kite. Yeah, it's not very visible. But I've dropped down quite a considerable a bit already. I've come down from off there, heading down here, and then just going straight up it. Right, let's keep going. I'm gonna follow that wall line up to that bit, and then veer left and go straight up that way. Stuff it. Yeah, man. Look at the valley. Look at that behind me now. Stunning. Just need Mr. Sunshine to get rid of Mr. Clouds. Please. Pretty please. Right. Keep going. So that's the famous historical fingerstone mine clear. And look, you can see up the ridge line, and then fan clear goes. Woo. Right, so plan of action now. Cross this road over that stile, head up to that ridge line, and then take that way direct to Fan Nedd. Easy, they say. Just need the clouds to lift. Come on. Well, I don't know why this is here. We're looking at the tracks. There's every chance somebody's used this for sledging and then left it. Big thick anti-slip thing. Could be wrong. It's mad what you see in the mountains. I've come from down there. Not that you can see. I'm going that way and then left. Woo woo! Fan Nedd, just there. Can't see. I'm literally a couple of minutes from it now. Yippee! Trigger's just come into view now. For me, anyway. I don't think you can pick it up on the camera. Looks to be a little wall shelter there. And there it is. Fan Nedd. 663 metres above sea level. Yeah, little cairn, little shelter to sit behind from the wind. And there it is. Oh, right on cue, Mr. Sunshine. The Auckland Bower, yawn. Woo! That was a bit tough, that last section. Like I said, I've literally come straight up the side of the mountain. No beating around the bush here. But get in! 663. Oh, 2 down, 2 to go. Woo woo! Yeah, get in. Oh, so happy. Yes. So I'm going to head off this one now, this direction. Fan Fright next. Here we go. So I've come off Fan Nedd now. And I'm in the saddle bulk between the two mountains. So I'm heading up there onto Fan Fright. I wish this bloody clag would lift though. It's not what was forecast. But hey ho, it doesn't stop me. Boom! Just clocked a herd of cows, heading in the same direction as me, and I've just realised I'm wearing red. Hopefully there's no bull. If there is, there might be trouble. Trouble, see what I did there? Yeah, I'm heading there. That's Fan Fright. 668 metres. Come on, let's do this. Here we have it. Fan Fright. 668 metres. That's been a slog over here. Friggin' hell. And yet, there's an easier path there. Fucking doofus here, didn't get to see it properly, did I? Never mind. Whew. Sometimes the direct route might not always be the easiest and quickest. However, it's got me here. Fan Fright. Woo! My word. So glad. So glad. Short distance to Fancahiddick from here, and then quite a bit of a trek back down to the car park, having a part. But I'm just one away now, guys. One away from completing the full set. Get in. Right. I'll be honest with you, I'll be glad when I'm done today. Legs are feeling it with what I've done the last week. Yay. Get in. Fan Gaelic. Fan fright. It's only bloody there. Oh, get in. Woo! Oh, happy days. Get in. Oh, it's been a bit of a slog today, but worth it. The clouds are lifting a little bit for me. Look, the trig point of Van Gahirik. Get in. Woo! In the name of Owain Glyndŵr and Llewellyn ap Griffith, I, Danny Rush, declare that I have now conquered every mountain in Wales, north, south and mid. Get in! Happy days! Woo! What a feeling! What an amazing feeling! 188 mountains, 189 when I started, so I did do Black Mountain South Top just in case, because then I can highlight it off on my original book. But get in, all done and dusted. Oh, now the long trek back to the car. Oh, it's never easy. Oh, now I've calmed down a little bit and all the elation has gone. I'm just heading off Fan Gahirik down to the proper path, and then I'll just meander my way down to the car park. I started that this morning. Oh, 5 years, guys. 5 years it's taken. What a slog. Some of them have been as well. Like, get in. Yes. Oh. Lost for words. Keeping my glasses on because I've had a bit of a teary-eyed moment as well. Oh. But yeah, thank you everybody for watching so far. Next on, the bloody lakes. Bloody lakes. 214 of them I've got. Or 17, 217 I think. To do. Let's see how long that bad boy takes. Woo woo! Clouds lifting a little so we can see back across the Fan Fright. Fan Ned. And the opposite end of that is Fan Lear. I've got to head back down that way. To the car. Right. Whew. Let's make our way back. Bring it on. Oh, party time. Right on cue. Just as I finished, the clouds lift. Get in. Oh, brilliant. There's Fan Ned. Fan Fright. Get in. Fan Gahirik behind me. Oh. Right, it's gonna get nice and warmer now. Happy days. Red kite people. I'm almost back at the car, about 20 minutes maybe. And there's Fan Leah, the first one I went up. That's Fan Ned. Whew. The others have disappeared behind there now. But it's got stone markers now all the way back down to the car park. But yeah, the weather's gone absolutely stupendous again for me. Shame it wasn't like this earlier. Oh, hey ho. At least it lifted for the last two. And I still got to see the first two on the way back down. Right, time to hightail it back. So you can see I went up that way this morning, right a lot to the top, and then literally just come down the side of the mountain. Wasn't waiting about. Right, I need to get back to the car. Whew, yeah. Almost back at the car. Thank God. Right. I'm going to end the video here. But yeah, you can see a clearer path. Boom. And that's where I am. Right. Thanks for watching, everybody. Stay tuned. England, I'm coming for your mountains. Later, guys.